Alright, so third working set natin, Miss Lilac, 2 exercise tayo. So, hanging knee tucks. Gamit tayo ng pull-up bar, tapos gagamit tayo ng bench na pagtututuan natin. So, pakita natin. Hanging knee tucks. Hands natin, grab natin yung bar. Okay, wider than shoulders. Alright? Tapos, feet together, toes. Dikit-dikit. Tapos, target natin yung knee papunta sa chest. Alright? So, exhale up. Inhale down. Okay, as slow as you can. Slow movement. So, exhale. Inhale down. Okay, make sure retracted yung upper back natin. Ito ka likod. Okay, so, lift. Okay, dapat nakataas na ganyan yung likod natin, hindi nakasag. Alright, so pag nakasag yung likod natin, yung scapula natin, hindi siya naka-retract, mawawalan tayo ng balance and possible mas mawala agad yung grip natin. Hirapan tayo mag-grip. Okay?
And magsuswing lang pala tayo na magsuswing yung katawan natin po nun. Medyo dangerous pa rin sa, sa lower back natin.
So yun, 10 repetitions. Right after that, punta tayo sa bench or sa box. Okay? So step ups, hawak tayo dito sa waist. Hawak sa waist, tapos taas. Knee up. Switch. Up. Alright, so active recovery. 10 repetitions. Yung ginawa natin is 1 pair. That's 1 count. Up. Step up. Tapos switch legs. Okay? So that's your 2 counts. 10 repetitions yung gagawin natin. Again, minimum natin is 4 sets to 6.